is October 27th. I had picked this, I think, on Sunday, so it's like 2 days ago. We had a frost warning, so I wanted to pick it off of the tree. This is a Maru, and it's pollinated by my chocolate. It reminds me of haikum, but it's not the same. Obviously, it's different, but it does have some blush of dark flash right here. So when it's pollinated and becomes seeded like this, it's non-astringent. If it was not pollinated, it would be an astringent variety. So let's see. You can see the frost came a little earlier, but I wanted to give it a try. Well, well, well. What can I say? It's pretty stringent. It's still very stringent. Hopefully next year I can try it again. So far it does not impress me like, you know, like a Coffecake or something. So room for improvement.